Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a cheesecake. Now this came requested by one of my subscribers. So here's a list of ingredients that you're going to need for this. I know there's quite a few things that you'll need, but putting it together is going to be really easy, guys. So you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of Graham Cracker Crumbs. That was a tongue tie. 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I use salted, I just like it better. 1/4 cup of sugar, which is over there. You'll need 5 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. Make sure it's room temperature, it's really important. 1 cup of sour cream. You'll need the zest of 1 lemon, and just make sure your lemon is really clean, guys, because you're going to be putting that in your cheesecake. You're going to need 4 eggs, room temperature, 1 teaspoon of salt. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You're going to need 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now you're also going to need a 9 or 10 inch springform pan. I'm using some tin foil just to line the bottom so it doesn't make a mess in the oven. A little spray pan for non-sticking. And that's it, guys. That's all the ingredients you're going to need to make this cheesecake. So let's get baking. Okay, guys, so what I have here is all my ingredients all ready to go, measured out. And we're going to go ahead and start on the actual crust for the cheesecake first. So let's go ahead and start with that. Okay, so for the first thing you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees while we go ahead and start making the crust. So for the crust, we're going to go ahead and put the Graham Cracker Crumbs, which I believe is, I think it worked out to be 10 actual graham crackers to make the 1 1/4. You're going to go ahead and put your sugar in and your 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix that around until it's like a wet sand mixture, I guess. So it looks like wet sand. That's exactly what you want. All right. Set that aside. Get your springform pan and go ahead and just spray it with some non-stick spray. Like that. We're going to go ahead and pour our Graham Cracker Crumbs mixture in there. And we're going to go ahead and lay this flat. We don't need to put it up the sides, but we want to kind of make it flat and even. We can go ahead and use a cup, a spoon, your hand, whatever works. I'm going to go ahead and start with this little cup, and then I'm going to end up using my hand. And you're just going to go ahead and press it flat, making sure it's pretty much even. You're going to see, guys, this recipe comes together so quick, and it's really easy. It's absolutely a delicious cheesecake recipe. That looks good. So what we're going to do is we're going to place this in the 325 degree oven for 7 to 8 minutes while we're working on the actual cheesecake batter. Okay, so to your standing mixer, if you don't have a standing mixer, you could use a handheld, it's fine. We're going to go ahead and put the 5 packages of cream cheese, and make sure, like I said, guys, that it's room temperature. Put that in there. We're going to go ahead and put the 1 cup of sour cream. You're going to add the 1 1/2 cups of sugar. You're going to add the 1/4 cup of flour, which binds everything. And we're going to go ahead and start mixing this. We don't want to over mix this because what over mixing does is it puts air in it, and then it can cause a lot of cracks in the cheesecake. Now, if you're embellishing your cheesecake with berries or whatnot, you don't really have to worry about the cracks. This shouldn't cause too many cracks. However, we are going to see a couple. That's just how it goes with cheesecakes. But go ahead and start mixing this for about a minute or so, and then we'll look at it. We're going to start it off at slow so nothing flies out of here. All right, we're going to go ahead and put the speed up just a little bit and just keep on mixing this. I'm going to go ahead and scrape the sides down real quick. It smells so good in here already. I love cream cheese. I love anything cream cheese. Cheesecake, that's the bomb. All right, go ahead and start that back up. Now to this really quick, we can go ahead and put the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna push down the sides, scrape the sides again real quick. That's looking really, really good, nice and creamy. Doesn't look like there's much clumps left. So go ahead and put that on for another second or two. All right, that looks great. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna scrape this a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and put our lemon zest in. And I'm telling you what, that makes a big difference. Don't skip on the lemon zest. You're not gonna taste it. It's not gonna be overpowering. I mean, you're gonna taste it, obviously, a little bit, but it's not gonna be overpowering if you don't like, you know, lemony stuff. I'm gonna take this off the thing real quick so I can put my lemon zest in it. I'll put that back. All right, now is where we're going to go ahead and start beating in the eggs. We're going to do 1 egg at a time, and it's really important not to over mix the eggs. So we're literally just going to mix it just until incorporated. All right, I went ahead and cracked all my eggs. And again, to this, we're going to go ahead and mix 1 egg at a time. Oh, there goes 2. I'm a big liar. All right, so 2 eggs at a time. And go ahead with the next egg. There we go. And the last egg. Mix that for a second or two, and then go ahead and just give it a good stir and scrape to make sure everything's well incorporated. That looks great. Just checking the bottom to make sure that it mixed all the cream cheese in there. Nothing got stuck. That looks great. All right, we're done, guys. Let that drip for a second. And we're gonna go ahead and get our crust that's already been cooked or pre-cooked. Take this off. Alright guys, we're going to take this off. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour the mixture right in the pie crust. And we're going to put it in the oven for an hour and 20 minutes. And what I would do is I would just keep my eye on it. What we're looking for is the outer... Actually, I'll show you in just one second. It smells so good. I smell the lemon zest, but it's not overpowering. Just smooth that out. Looks great. Okay, so what we're looking for is we're looking for it to be set. The middle is going to be more whiter than the edges. The edges are going to be more browner. There might be, like I said, a few cracks, but it's okay. It's normal. Once we stick it in the refrigerator, it'll set perfect. So we're going to go ahead and stick that in the oven. Again, 325 degrees for an hour and 20 minutes. But like I said, just watch your oven because everybody's oven is different. Okay, guys, my cheesecake was in the oven for exactly an hour and 20 minutes. And look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. Now, I don't want to toot my own horn because this has never happened before, probably never will again. But I don't have not one crack in my cheesecake. I don't know how. The cheesecake gods must have been with me today, but so we're gonna let this sit on the counter and let it get completely cool before we stick it in the refrigerator. And then we'll need to leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours until it is absolutely cooled down. And then we can go ahead and slice this and taste it together. Okay guys, so it's taste testing time. And I had this on the counter until it completely cooled. And then I went ahead and put it in the refrigerator overnight. So it's actually the next day. And we're gonna go ahead and cut into this and taste it. So hopefully it'll come right off my springform pan. Ta-da! Look how pretty she is. All right, let's cut into this and get us a taste. I know I cut my cakes weird. I don't cut the whole thing. Look at that. All right, guys, let's go taste this. All right, everybody. So today we have a special guest. This is my daughter, Alyssa. She's my little taste tester, and she's going to let us all know how the cheesecake came out.
Can I eat now?
Yes.
Okay.
Please do.
So.
Cheesecake's her favorite, so she'll be honest.
That's welcome.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.